we're going to do now is we're going to use this formula here to convert a range of measures in Celsius into the relevant Fahrenheit temperatures. Whenever you're preparing a table or a range of values, the best way to do it is a spreadsheet. So that's from the main menu. Now, the question will tell you how it wants it done. In terms of this, we're going to set up temperatures or use values from 0 through to 100 going up in fives. The question will tell you whether it wants to go up in 10s or 20s or whatever it might be. So we'll go up in fives. The first value is 0 that I'm selecting. Okay, again, the question will tell you the lowest value and the highest value. So I'm starting at 0 degrees Celsius and I'm going to go up in fives all the way up to 100. Okay, so the way we'll do that is we'll actually use a formula and we'll go to Edit and Fill Range. Okay, the formula is it equals whatever's in cell A1 plus 5. Okay, and cell A1 had the value 0 in it, and we want to add 5 to A1, and we want to put that into A2. Now look, what we want to do is repeat this all the way to cell A21. And that will copy this same formula down, and that should actually get us to 100 because it'll take 20 cells, 5 20s are 100. Let's see how we went. So let's hit OK. And if we scroll down, there it is, it's filled it in going up by 5s. Again, you can type that in manually if you're not too sure how to do that, or just type in A2 to A40 and then delete what you don't need. Okay, so in cell B2, all I'll do is I'll use this formula as the basis to work out if that is 0 degrees Celsius, what the relevant temperature is in Fahrenheit. So the way I do that is I put in an equal sign to tell the spreadsheet that I'm putting in a formula, and we'll do 9 divided by 5, no fraction button at this point, multiplied by the value in this cell, that's the value of C at this point, is 0 plus the number 32. Okay, let's do that. So of course that should mean, or that means that at 0 degrees Celsius it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll fill this formula down all the way down to 100. That's in cell B21 we want to fill this formula down to. So, Edit, Fill Range, that's the formula. And instead of doing it to just cell B1, I'm going to do it all the way to B21. And OK. And there it is. So 100 degrees Celsius is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And 40 degrees Celsius is roughly 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So that just allows me to generate a table of values, and I can use this to refer to, given any sort of temperature in Celsius, I can get a good idea or a good approximation of what the degrees will be in Fahrenheit.